Hey guys, I'm here with the Triumph, and in this video I'm actually going to talk about a few things. The first thing I'm going to talk about is Virgin Mobile's data throttling. I got a text message, I don't know if I still have it, but as of March 23rd, they're going to start throttling data speeds once you get past 2.5 gigs of data usage. So what I recommend doing is downloading this app, and it's a data manager. I think it's called My Data Manager actually. Let me see. Sorry guys, I have a lot of apps on here. I'm just trying to find that one to make sure I give you the right name. But here's the app anyways. I think it's called My Data Manager or just Data Manager, one of the two. But so what it has you do when you first download it, it'll have you put in the date your bill is due and how much data usage you want. So it didn't let me put 2.5 gigs in, so I just put 2 gigs in, and it'll tell me how much I used right here. And this is just the mobile data. It also will let you keep track of Wi-Fi data usage, but I don't usually use Wi-Fi on here, so I just use mobile data. And then it gives you a rundown of how much everything is using. So right now YouTube's using the most. But this is a good app to keep track, and it'll stay in your notification bar up there. So when it gets to the end, it'll turn red and give you an alert. So that's pretty cool. I would definitely get that app if you're on Virgin Mobile. Secondly, I'm going to talk about 2 apps. So just a warning, this video might be a little long. The first one is AppAware. And this is a social app. It's it's kind of like AppBrain, or if you've ever seen that app, except it's a social version of it. So you could see what the top apps are that people are using. And actually, if you want to download this app and just search for GadgetJen, you can friend me, and you can see all the apps that I'm using on my phone. Right here it says I have 153 apps, and you just click on that and it'll bring all my apps up that are on my device. And then also it'll show you my history, everything that I've installed or removed from my device. And it'll update that every day. And so then you can view like top apps, top games, top from your friends, top local, and then the feeling lucky thing here. You just click on that, and then it'll just randomly pull up an app or a game depending on what you click. So it says give me game, you click on it and it'll bring a game up, and you can try it out or not, or So it's a pretty cool app. I definitely recommend getting it, and definitely friend me so you can see what I'm using on my device and vice versa. Hold on, I just got a text. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you the Mytubo app. It's another social app, but this is a picture taking app. So you share pictures on here, you make a little profile up, and then you can take pictures. And here, I'll go home. So you see at the bottom here, there's a camera, and you just click on the camera and take a picture, and it lets you edit it a little, and then you can share it. And yeah, I took a picture of the slider just to try it out. That's my first picture. But you can share it. I selected to share it to Twitter, so all my pictures should be going on Twitter when I upload them. And then you can also share them to Facebook, an email. You can pick an email address, so if there's a certain person you want to send your pictures to when you upload them. You know, I think there's a Flickr, different picture websites that you could choose to share your pictures to. And then you get, as you share more pictures, you get fans. And so right now it says I have one fan. I have one picture on there and one fan, and I'm following one. Which the one I'm following is actually the Mytubo, just Mytubo. That's who I'm following. I haven't really searched through people's pictures yet, but it's a really cool app. Definitely check that out. And if you want to look at my pictures, you can become my fan. I will become yours as well. And my name is actually GadgetJen85. So I'll put those in the description. So if you want to search for me, you can do that. Definitely check both of these apps out. I'm kind of curious to see what you're using on your devices. So if you want to friend me on AppAware, that would be great. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.